Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to learn about generative AI, bringing together everything we have learned so far. This is where all the concepts we have discussed come together to create something truly revolutionary. So what exactly is generative AI? Let me give you a clear definition. So generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that uses machine learning techniques, especially deep learning with neural networks, to create a new, original content that has never existed before. Do you see how everything connects? It's AI using machine learning, especially deep learning, applied to the task of generation and creations. So these systems are built on what we call foundation model. Massive neural networks trained on enormous data set with billions of parameters. Example, GPT-4, Cloud, Gemini, and many more. So Google Gemini and Delhi, those are a foundation model which are generating the images. So there are different foundation models. Now let me explain how generative AI actually works with a simple, relatable example. Imagine you want to create a new recipe. Let's see how a generative AI would do this. First, there is a training phase. This is learning period. The AI system reads and analyzes 1 million recipe from the internet, cookbooks and cooking website. It's not just memorizing this recipe, it's learning pattern. It learns that tomatoes go well with basils. It learns that baking requires a specific temperature. It learns that certain ingredients complement with each other. So it learns how this cooking techniques work, like how chef spends years and years to learn all of those things. So it builds an internal representation of culinary knowledge, understanding the ingredients, methods, flavors, and how they all related to each other. This is like chef spending years learning this craft. Then comes the generation phase. This is the creation period. Now you come along and ask, create a healthy dessert recipe using avocado. Here is what happened inside the AI. The input goes through multiple layers of neural network. Layer 1 processes and understands the words healthy and dessert. Recognize that you want something sweet but nutritious. Layer 2 recalls everything it knows about the avocados. They are creamy, nutritious, have healthy fats, and mild flavor, smooth textures. Now level 3 will come. This will combine its knowledge of desserts with healthy ingredients, thinking about what works together, what creates a good textures and taste. Now the layer 4 will come and generates actual recipe, combining all this processed information to create something new. And the output is the original chocolate avocado mousse recipe with complete instruction, ingredient, measurement, and preparation steps. This recipe didn't exist before. The AI created is specially for your request using all the patterns it learned during the training. This is the power of generative AI. It's not searching through a database of existing recipe, it's generating a new one based on the learned pattern of your specific requirement. Now let's talk about the different types of generative AI tools available today. So all of you must be aware about the text generation tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and many more. So they can write articles, answer questions, and explain the concepts, write a code, create a stories, and it can do many natural conversations. So they understand the context and generate a human-like text. We have image generation tools like Delhi, Midjourney, Nano Banana. You describe an image in words like futuristic city floating in the cloud at sunset. And these tools will create an original artwork based on your description. So many artists, designers, creators using this to bring their imagination to the life. There are audio tools like Suno and I think Udio. So these are the tools which can compose the original music, create a realistic voice synthesis, and generate a sound effects. Imagine you are sitting in your room and you are describing a mood and style of your music you want, and AI will compose it for you. Now there are tools like video generations, like Sora, Runway, which can create a video content from your text description. So this technology is developing day by day. Every day you have encountered a new tool which can perform better than the previous tools. There are tools for the code generation like a GitHub Copilot, and similar there are other tools are available which can write a programming code, debug the error, and explain how existing code works. So developers are using these tools to accurate their work and improve their coding styles. So this is all about the generative AI and how it brings together everything we have learned. I'll see you in the next video.